This is the all-new Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. I'm so happy to have this phone with me today as I've heard a lot about it. So let me go ahead and have this phone unboxed, show you its content. Moreover, I shall even be going through some of the key features that this phone is surrounded with. So we'll be taking step by step. Let me go ahead and have this unboxed and show you its content. So here are the content of the box. You got the quick start guide, the USB cable, and the phone itself. Sadly, it doesn't come with a adapter, but nevertheless, the phone seems quite premium in hand and carries a weight about 183 grams, which isn't that bad for say. So let me go ahead and unpeel this and have it set it up, and then afterwards I can show you its content, its camera features, and so on and so forth. Time to speak more about the phone itself. So let me start with the exterior. On the right hand side you have the biometrics, the finger scanner, which is the on and off button as well. At the top you have the volume controls. At the bottom you have the USB type C input as well as the speaker. Sadly it doesn't come with a headphone jack, but it isn't that expensive to have the adapter purchase, which can be used to connect your wired headset. On the left hand side you have the SIM card input, and that's pretty much about it. I really like the feel of it. Let me talk to you about the color also. It has the phantom black color, which is pretty soothing to the eye. It comes with a battery life of 3300, which isn't that bad, but it hasn't changed from its prior version. This phone can be cabled as well as wirelessly charged. The size of it comes with a 6.7-inch display screen, and at the back you have a 1.9-inch display screen which shows a varieties of information, the date, the time, the battery life. Let me quickly activate this. Okay, it even shows the music, the weather, and so on and so forth. You can customize it as per your wish by going to the settings. Let me quickly show you the settings also as well. Going to the settings, you have all other general settings. Let me quickly show you the front facing cover, the cover screen, in which you can add or adjust the widget as per your preference, the music, weather, today's schedule, and so on and so forth. So the RAM on this phone is 8 GB. This you get two storage capacity. I think it's 128 and 256 depending on your preference. So yep, that's pretty much about it. I was just reading through other features also. It comes with some great features. It has the technology of dynamic AMOLED, which is very nice. Front facing cover display, 1.9-inch, as I showed it to you. The RAM is 8 GB. Internal storage is 128. It says not expandable. Yes, it's not expandable, but you can get a 258 also if you wish to have. It has a fast charging and wireless charging as well. The rear facing camera, it has dual the 12 megapixel, which is standard, and the ultra wide. As you can see over here, ultra wide, the secondary camera. The front facing is 10 megapixel. It is water resistant with the IPX8, but I don't think so it's dust resistant. Moreover, it just has the phantom black color, which is currently the one I'm showing it to you. Yep, and other features that can be found online as well. I haven't gone in depth about it, but just to show you a complete overview of it. So now it's time to test the camera, how good of a quality it is. So let me go ahead and take some pictures, some videos, and show you for you to determine its video quality or the picture quality. The cover screen not only provides information, but it even gives you the opportunity to click some awesome photos using the rear camera. Isn't that cool? One of the coolest options that come with this camera is the director's view, which captures both the front as well as the rear camera. Check it out. Isn't the view beautiful from here? Not to forget, I'm quite impressed with the microphone and the speakers on this phone. So those were the pictures and the videos. I personally am quite impressed with what this phone has to offer with the new 1.9-inch front cover display screen and lots of varieties of options that have been added and features that have been added to this phone. It's really impressive. Yes, it comes with a heavy pocket price of $900 to $1,000, but with the Black Friday coming up, I'm sure there must be some great deals out there you don't want to miss out on. So yep, that's pretty much it from my side. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly like and subscribe.